Check out the coolest way to cut your turkey and serve it beautifully. Cut right next to the rib cage. All the way down. Then, trying to create a triangle, make a cut on the bottom below the breast. That way, you'll have the whole breast out. Check it out. It's simple. Once you do it once, it'll work perfectly every time. Then, set it on your platter or set it on a cutting board. Slice it, thick or thin, and enjoy a beautiful, tender, and delicious turkey. So the next breast, as close as you can to the rib cage, then on the side, and bring out the second turkey breast. It's beautiful, perfect, and easy to serve. You're gonna love it. Go for it. You can do it. Chef Pachi. Are your pan drippings with some fat on top and you want to take it out? It's super easy. Just do this. Grab yourself a cup, one of these you can find anywhere that has a spout in the bottom. That way, you just place all of your liquid there, give it a couple of minutes so the fat rises, and just pour it down until you see the fat. Then stop and you've got it. Chef Pachi. Has your turkey turned dull when you're going to serve it? Just keep some of those pan drippings, heat them up a little bit, and pour them over your bird. It's going to look like it just came out of the oven. Chef Pachi hacks.